Hey everyone, it's Marlakani here, also known as Java Little Professor. So in today's video, we're gonna be learning the Java division operator. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, so first of all, what is the Java division operator? So basically the Java division operator is like the division operator that we use in math, but instead it's in Java. So for example, in the real life math, like 10 divided by 5, it's 2, right? So in Java, we're trying to write that same code and print the same result, 10 divided by 2, like, just in the program Eclipse. Or we are trying to do it like, from real life to like Java. Alright guys, so let's start coding. Alright, so first of all, we're gonna write int we can write any like a variable name we would like, so I'm gonna write int c is equal to, let's use our previous example, is equal to 10, and then we're gonna write int y, let's actually write int d is equals to 5. Also remember to finish your conditions every time with the semicolon. Alright guys, so now let's write system.out.println. And then with the parentheses, inside of the parentheses, we're gonna write the result is, and then we're basically just gonna separate it so that it doesn't look weird, the result. So in my previous videos, I mentioned that like sometimes you have to put inside of the parentheses, like for example 10 times 5 plus 10 times 5, or 10 divided by 5. But in this case, it's not obligatory, to use the parentheses. It's your choice, because Java is not gonna be get confused, and he's actually gonna understand. So basically, the plus 10 divided by 5 is actually gonna print the result is the result of 10 divided by 5, which is 2. So it's gonna print the result is 2. So yeah, it's up to you if you want to use parentheses and be quicker, like write the code the quicker and be much more effective in doing so. Then yes, you can write it without parentheses. But if you want to just make it look cooler, so then you can obviously separate it inside of the parentheses. Or maybe you would like put the inside of the parentheses, because like you would have the habit of already putting the conditions in the parentheses because of the addition operator, subtraction operator, multiplication operator, and etc. Alright guys, so oops, so basically actually the so this was just an example. So to divide it, we actually gotta write inside of the parentheses or without parentheses. Let's just do it. C divided by D, which means 10 divided by 5. So let's do Control S and then run the code. And yes guys, it's gonna print the result is 2. That's because 10 divided by 5 is 2. So we can change it to any result we would like, but we're not doing it right now. So even if we do with the parentheses, it's pretty much not gonna even it's not gonna change the result at all. As you can see, it also gives the result is 2. So now this was the indirect way, or the indirect way to print the result of the division. So now I'm gonna show you the direct way. So basically, we're just gonna remove this int c and int d is equals to 5. So now, what you're basically gonna do is like just simply print the result directly, rather than writing int like int b, int c and int d, etc. So yeah, this could also be really effective, and like if you just want to be fast or want to be super effective, or you don't have any time, then you can write this rather than writing that extra piece of code. So once we run it without the parentheses, it's gonna give us the same result that it gave us. And if we do inside of the parentheses, and it's still gonna give us the same result, which is the result is 2. And yeah, guys, that was it for today's video. So I hope you liked this Java tutorial of the division operator. So if you like this tutorial, so make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, guys, have a nice day. Bye.